Elevate the sky. BAE Systems revolutionary Striker 2 HMD for RAF Typhoons. BAE Systems has been awarded a contract by the UK MOD to develop its Striker 2 helmet-mounted display (HMD) for the RAF Typhoon aircraft. Striker 2 is an advanced fighter helmet developed in Rochester, Kent. Boasting integrated all-digital night vision and daylight-readable color display capabilities. This helmet projects data directly onto the pilot's visor, giving them a combination of real-world view and essential mission data in an augmented reality format. The new contract focuses on enhancing the helmet's capabilities. In preparation for the initiation of its production and subsequent integration flight testing in Wharton, Lancashire. The Striker 2 will equip Typhoon pilots with exceptional situational awareness and help prevent sensory overload during intense operations. This cutting-edge helmet ensures adaptability to evolving battle environments and paves the way for advanced gear for upcoming generations of pilots. The £40 million contract is expected to generate and maintain over 200 specialised jobs in Kent and Lancashire directly related to the Striker 2 project. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI plus drones plus military, don't forget to subscribe.